Yeah, hi there. This is a video about polynomial division. I'm going to show you how to do it via two methods, long division and synthetic division. Both have advantages and disadvantages, and you really do need to know both. So let's have a look. We're going to divide 2x cubed minus 11x plus 21 by x plus 3. We're going to use the two methods. So long division is just like long division you did with numbers. We'll put our let me get the words right, dividend here and our divisor there. Okay, so the number on top of your fraction is here and the number you're dividing by is here. We have to put it in descending order of powers here just to make it easier. So there's no x squared here, so we put a 0x squared there just to make it clear. So now we've got to think, I've got 2x cubed here. What do I multiply x by to get 2x cubed? The answer is 2x squared. So now I multiply this x plus 3 by 2x squared and write it there. And just like in normal long division, we will subtract these two numbers here and get negative 6x squared. We'll bring down this number as well, and this one too. You don't have to put the 21 there, but I did this time, so it's alright. Okay, now we've got to think, what do I multiply x by to get negative 6x squared? That's a negative 6x. So times this whole thing by negative 6x and write it down. Okay, and then again we subtract these two numbers. Gives us positive 7x plus 21. Then we've got to think, what do I multiply x by to get 7x? Answer 7. I do it, and I get a remainder 0. So that means that 2x cubed minus 11x plus 21 divided by x plus 3 is 2x squared minus 6x plus 7. That's your long division, with a remainder of 0. Synthetic division does the same thing, just a little bit quicker. It's harder to spot where your mistakes are if you go wrong, but it is a good, quick method. So what you do is just write each of the coefficients there, with your x cubed, your x squared, your x, and your constant. And then over here you put minus 3. That's because what number makes this 0? It's when x equals negative 3, that x plus 3 equals 0. So you put minus 3 in there, or negative 3 there. Okay, then what you do is you take down the 2 straight below. That's easy to remember because you think, what's 2x cubed divided by x? It's 2x squared. So you know the first coefficient's going to be 2 divided by 1. So that just comes straight down. Okay, now here's where the hard stuff begins. Hard stuff in inverted commas. Okay, 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. So you put negative 6 there. Then you add these two together, negative 6. Negative 3 times negative 6 is positive 18. You add those two together, you get 7. Negative 3 times 7 is negative 21. You add those two together, you get 0. And look at that. We've got 2x squared, negative 6 minus 6x, plus 7, plus 7. Okay? So that's sort of a quicker, neater, smaller way of doing what we did over here. Okay? Just got to remember, you've got to add these two numbers together, and this number here is your number in the little box here times whatever's on the line below. If you can remember that little algorithm, you'll get the answer quickly, but just be careful when you're doing it. Let's do another example. This time we're going to have a remainder, so we'll see what happens. Okay, 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. And here's x minus 4. By the way, you know you can't factor this. Well, you can, but you can't. But x minus 4 is not going to be one of those factors, so it's going to have a remainder. So just keep that in the back of your head. All right, long division, same way. We set up our little long division system here. All right, 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 is under the little lines, and x minus 4 is outside. You've got to think, what do I multiply x by to get 2x squared? Answer, 2x. then I times everything here by 2x. Okay, then I subtract these two numbers. Okay, 2x squared minus 2x squared, 0. Negative 5x squared minus negative 8 is plus 3x. Okay, and bring down the 3. Okay, what do I multiply x by to get 3x? Is 3. So there's a plus 3. Times it by 3. Minus 12. Subtract these, and you got a leftover of 9. Remainder of 9. So what that means is we've got x plus 3 remainder 9. The smartest way to write that is 2x plus 3 plus 9 over x minus 4. Okay, just like you had a, when you do it with numbers, you've got a fraction here, 9 whatevers. Well, here the whatevers are x minus 4s. Okay, again, synthetic division works the same way. This time you put a 4 in the box, you put the coefficients here. Alright, bring down the 2. 2 times 4 is 8. Add them together, you get 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Add them together, you get 9. So there is your 2x plus 3, remainder 9. Okay, once you practice both these methods, they get pretty much second nature. So grab some questions, try it out, and come back and watch the video again if you're having trouble. Good luck with polynomial division.